Right here.
Mimir, come to the panda. Over here. Over there. Go next to Maya. Look.
Mom, here's
Yeah, I'll put on my timeline.
Over here. Go next to Maya so you can see it. Next to Maya. Show me, Maya.
Well, we're going to the sloth.
Oh, it's like the movie. Can you see it?
You want to see the panda again? You can go look at the panda.
Is it corn?
I don't know what that is.
I think it's corn. Because it's yellow.
Yeah, you see it?
What's the legend about? What's the legend about him? Mom, what's the legend about him?
Don't put it. Don't put it. Just wait your turn. Don't wait your turn.
It's awake during dusk and dawn. Just super early in the morning when the sun's about to come out, and then at dawn when the sun's about to go down.
He's right there
And at
eating.
nighttime, it lives in the trees.
What's that?
Then you look now. Go ahead.
See the bird?
Wow, look at him.
Come here.
Is that cool?
It's so cute.
It's so cute.
Yeah, I love it around.
Oh, look. Oh, look at his face.